Ito na siguro ang pinaka-favorite kong sushi place ever. Dahil sobrang sarap niya na nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ko ng mga 5 seconds. Tapos, ang daming serving. Ang dami oh. Kita nyo ba to? And it's not expensive. I am not even kidding. Itong sushi place na to ay matatagpuan lang sa Batangas. Unfortunately, dito sa Grind Lifestyle Center sa Lipa, Batangas. And surprisingly, itong place na to ay filled with restaurants na iba't ibang cuisines. Merong Vietnamese, Filipino, ito, Japanese. Matutuwa ka. And surprisingly, wala siyang tao for the 2 days that we went here. Syempre, nung una, hesitant kami kung okay ba talaga dahil nga yung price niya ay affordable lang. Ito yung menu nila if you want to take a look. Ito na ang makukuha mo. Ang kinuha namin ay the salmon aburi blue cheese sushi, which is our top 1 favorite sa place na to. Talagang grabe. Yung salmon, hindi siya malansa. I could say it's fresh. Walang lansa. Yung blue cheese niya was just right. Hindi siya yung exage na blue cheese. And nakalimutan pala ni Kuya yung truffle oil. And buti na lang hinabol niya dahil lalong sumarap pa talaga yung sushi. Kung makikita niyo, first bite ko pa lang mind blown na ako sa lasa dahil talagang nag-blend all together lahat ng flavors perfectly. Wala ng sauce na kailangan, masarap talaga siya. Hindi ako California Crunch Rolls. Akala ko nung sinabi nilang crunch ay sa toppings lang yung crunch. Yung pala, buong sushi ay fried sushi. So that's why it's crunch. And makikita mo, sobrang daming filling. Hindi cheap yung loob. And yung pagka-fry niya, hindi siya yung oily din. May konting anghang siya, pero it's just light. Presentation-wise, both dishes are so good. Taste-wise, they are both good. But I think the salmon aburi was so good na number 2 na namin yung crunch. I hope I can go back, but definitely when I'm back in Batangas, babalik kami dito to try more of their sushi because it's really so good.